What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Nini Barcelini back again with another video. And today we got some Burger King. I have not had Burger King in probably years. Um, they have a new brisket. Here you go, brisket barbecue. I wanted to try that. Let's see. So I ordered a brisket barbecue with a Whopper with cheese in case I did not like the brisket barbecue. So we're gonna get into it. I guess that's caramelized onions, pickles, cheese, tomato. It looks good. Let me try it. Hmm. What y'all been up to? Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. All the stuff falling. Mm. It's good. It's good. Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm gonna get some okay. Okay. Now, um, I see a gnat. I don't know why I got these fruit gnats. Okay. Um, y'all, I've been going through it offline and but it's all good. We handling business. Okay. We handling business offline. Hmm. I got some hoes. I got some people pressed. You know what I'm saying? And it ain't no fun when a rabbit got the gun. You feel me? Yeah, been playing the lottery. Girl, I've been missing the lottery number left and right. Okay. Okay, get it done. Shit good. Mm-hmm. It's all right. I mean, and let me get some of this waffle. Y'all gotta remember, I ain't had Burger King in years, y'all. Okay. Nothing like a Whopper. Mm. Mm. Man, nothing like a Whopper with cheese. Um, so my review, the barbecue brisket can't compete with the Whopper with cheese. Okay, period. Whopper with cheese is a classic. It's a classic. You can't compete with it. Not no barbecue brisket. What else? What else Burger King got? Girl, McDonald's Big Mac ain't nothing compare. Ain't nothing compete. Y'all, I gotta make this mukbang quick. I got somebody waiting on me real quick. I gotta get off of here. I just came on here to say hey. Yeah, I gotta get off of here though. Put the um, girl, the other Whopper. You know they gotta set me up to wake me up. Tootsie Roll. Mm-mm-mm. Um, Girl, I don't even want that brisket. I don't even want that brisket. Like, I don't know why. It's just something about the Whopper. It's just something about the Whopper. Mm. Um, the fries alright. Mm. It's back to the brisket. I'm gonna say, mm-mm. It's alright. It's alright. Mm-mm. No. Mm-mm. Oh. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. AKA the Soul Snatcher. I love JT. I love them all. I love JT, SZA, Cardi B, the girl Beyonce. I love them all. Oh, damn. I gotta get going, y'all. Let me go. I gotta get going. Make sure y'all follow me. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me, please. Please follow me. I'm gonna be back. What's day? Thursday. Yeah, I'll be back Friday. I'm off Friday. Please, please, please subscribe. Mm, I love y'all. Look, there's so much stuff going on. Y'all better tread lightly. Tread lightly. So the brisket is if I wouldn't get it again. I would not get the brisket again. I just always go back for Whopper with cheese. Mm-mm. I wouldn't get the brisket no more. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Trash. Alright. Y'all know what I'm about to do. Huh. All up in smoke. Okay. Period. All these fries is just like, this is why I don't do Burger King. Okay. But they Whoppers, I always knew I love they Whopper with cheese. Okay. Now y'all follow me, please. 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 Please follow me. Okay, y'all.